I'm gonna stall it.
Just take it easy with the clutch.
I know I am. Oh God, you don't understand. Easy on this thing. Everything feels great.
Excuse me, what are you doing?
I'm driving my Focus.
You're doing what, Brent?
Little tinny noise. I think it's. I love that noise. Automatic door locks just came on. I can remember how to get into reverse. God damn, it's touchy as shit. This thing is so freaking touchy. It's like it. You see that?
What?
It's going. I may have to check the ground on that. It was going like crazy. Whoa. What the fuck? That's hooked up to the wrong thing.
I do hear that.
Yeah, what is that? Is it the brakes dragging?